Hey, what's up, dev heads? Today's video is a special one. Not only am I introducing my exciting new project, but I'm also celebrating two huge milestones: hitting 1,000 subscribers and my channel's birthday. Oh, and there's a giveaway involved, so stick around to find out how to win a $25 themed gift card. Now let's dive in. So the holidays hit hard, and let me tell you, the tamales and pozole definitely kept me busy. But somewhere between all that holiday food, I got an amazing notification: 1,000 subscribers. I can't thank you all enough for the support. It means the world to me. To make things even better, YouTube reminded me that my channel had a birthday last week. As a huge thank you and belated Christmas gift, I'm giving away a $25 Steam gift card. Here's how you can enter. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below telling me which game you're most excited to play this month. I'll pick one random winner and announce it within the next 2 weeks in the community section. So don't wait, get your entry in now. If you're enjoying the content so far, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. This way you'll stay in the loop with my new tutorials, project updates, and live streams. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Now let's talk about my latest project, DevGames 3085. It's a virtual hub for game developers and gamers, a place where developers can showcase their game and gamers can jump in and try them out. Think of it as a digital playground where creativity meets community. This project is super community driven, which means your feedback and suggestions are incredible and valuable. I'll be hosting live sessions throughout the week, usually around 5 p.m. Pacific time or later. During these streams, I'll not only teach Unreal Engine tutorials, but I'll also show you the progress of DevGames 3085 as I build it live. You'll get an inside look at how this game is being created and even help shape its direction. So what's in store for DevGames 3085? Mini games. I'll include fun little challenges to showcase EOS functionality. The game will grow with your input, so every update will reflect what you want to see. I'm also considering integrating it with Steam to expand the experience even further. To ensure the game has robust data management, I'll be implementing MySQL to store player data, game stats, and other essential information efficiently. This is just the beginning, and I can't wait to see how far we can take this together. If you have ideas for features or mini games, drop them in the comments and I'll love to hear them. So let's recap. Thank you for helping me hit the 1K subscriber mark and celebrate my channel's birthday. Don't forget to enter the giveaway for the $25 Steam gift card by subscribing and commenting on the game you're most excited to play this month. The winner will need to go to Discord to claim the prize. The winner will be announced in the community page of my YouTube channel. I'm thrilled to introduce DevGames 3085, a project for developers and gamers alike, built by the community and for the community using MySQL and EOS. Your feedback will help shape it into something incredible. Speaking of EOS, if you haven't seen my tutorial on how to set it up for your Unreal Engine project, you can check it out by clicking the video to the right. It's packed with tips to get you started and make the most of EOS. Happy developing!